Hey guys, another day, another vlog tayo. So, it's another unboxing. We have some parcel here from TikTok. And this one from Amazon, I think. And Amazon. Let's see what's in here. So, nag-unbox tayo ngayon. Ay! So, I'm watching some Chinese stuff. Let's see what's in here. Wala na akong ma-vlog. So, kung ano-ano na lang yung vlog ko. At saka nagpapagaling ako ngayon. Oh, this is the one from TikTok. I've been waiting. I don't know what the one is then. So, these are for our iPhone. And it's like Vlog Screen Mini. The perfect selfie every time. Para pag this one is when you use your phone. Something like this. Oh, let's get something to try on. So this one, yeah. Let's see. It's T3 Mini. It's China made. And here it is. Comes with a USB. And oh, cute. It has like a pouch. And also it has magnetic. And this is the parcel. Let's see. How do you do it? Oh, there you go. Search Bluetooth ice screen mirroring function. So it's mirroring function. So when you put it like that, when you put it like that, and then you film like this, so you can see your actual face in here, and that's how it works. Okay, but you have to like connect it to your Bluetooth, which is ice screen mirroring function, iOS. It has Android as well and Smart View, and then it gives you the SSID and also password, and then ADWL setting, press 149. So, para pag nag-vlog tayo, pag ganyan siya, para yung back camera mas maganda, but you can still see your face. So, that's the first item. And then the second item here. Oh, I think this is the one I want. I was like thinking of buying this for a very long time. But finally, I decided to buy it. Yeah, it's so small. This is it. So this is like our portable wireless speaker. It has a micro SD, super ionic standby, USB charger. It has mic BX5, and it has a mic and auxiliary connection, and it has a 3.5 audio inputs. Ah, I thought it is a Bluetooth, but I don't think it's a Bluetooth. It's so cute. It's so cute, right? Oh, so cute. I'm sure this is a Bluetooth because I didn't want to buy if it's not a Bluetooth. Okay, we'll see how that works. But it has this, but then you can't connect it to your phone, innit? We'll see. What's this thing? There's like a button in here. And you can rotate it too. Okay, we'll try that. Like, it's so cute. But if it doesn't work on Bluetooth, we'll use it as a design. And then this one, I don't know what these are. So we'll see. Okay, so it says like product name Bluetooth speaker. So it's Bluetooth speaker. Oh, this is the one I've been waiting. So I bought this from an American shop online. And this is for my hair coloring. I'm gonna dye my hair soon. Like, I bought this from US. It's a US brand. It came from US, but it looks Chinese. Shoopin color, make your hair beauty shine. Apparently, this is nice. This is very expensive, guys. It's 35 pounds. Anyway, this one is like 10 pounds. And this one is like 15 pounds on TikTok. And this one is 35 pounds. It's grayish color, so we'll see. We will see. And let's look at the list. What's this? Oh, this is not from TikTok. I think this is from Marketplace in Tesco. It's not Facebook, okay? It's Tesco. And this is my new purpose. Oh no, I don't know what this is. Like, honestly, I don't know where this came from, but we'll see. What's this? Oh yeah, it is. So this one's from Tesco, and this like cable knit fleece duvet set. So this is our new duvet cover, and it's in cable knit fleece siya. Diba? Tapos, I will video na lang when it's all done. But there you go, guys. These are all my purchases for today's video. You know, when you don't work and you just stay home, all you do is like buy random stuff. And that's what happened to me. So look what I all have. So that and that. Unboxing cameras. There you go. That's all for now, guys. What's in here? It's like a mix of everything. So first, I have my nail hardener. This is really good. So rich feeling strengthener. Impact strength ng nail. And it comes in color kasi. So this one is naka-shellac. It's for hardening nails. Strengthening nails. Baka masira pa yung nail natin dito. Anyway, I bought two of this and it has like color here. So, diba? Kasi usually it's like this, the nail treatments. It's good when your nails is really, really thin. It's good for making it stronger. So it's now connecting. It's searching for the screen mirroring. It says here, wait. Screen to appear. Tapos, ang tagal naman. Oh, tagal. So, na-connect na siya, guys. Ganyan siya. Tapos, yung back camera yan. Pero, nakikita mo yung sarili mo. Ayan. Kaso lang, pag tinurn over mo siya, nagiging inchik siya. Ay, hindi pala ganyan. So, ganyan, no? Magnetic man ni. Tapos, pag ganyan mo siya, nagiging inchik na siya. Oh. Like, you can't see me properly. Or is it because, asan ako? Ayan. Ganyan lang siya talaga. So, kailangan pag ganyan din siya. Oh. Iba na siya. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Gana. So here, meron siyang, this is USB-C. Pwede mo siyang i-connect dito pag gusto mo ng cable. Pero this is the on and off button. On and off. Tapos dito, pag gusto mong mag-screen mirror, ito siya. Pag mag-connect ka, ito yung pindot mo. Connect mo dun sa phone mo. Tapos screen mirror, start, and then take a picture. Yan. So there you go, guys. Yan na yung ating chararats. Now our next one is this. So, to turn it off in here.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Tapos, try natin siyang ay, nandito yata yung mga, tingnan mo yung mga screen record ko. Yung mga screen record ko yan. Anyway, now, i-Bluetooth natin to, no? Connect to HM11 ba siya? Let's see. Ang liit. Oh, let's connect to this one. HM11. Yan siya. Ito. And then, it's now connected. We'll play some music. We're gonna try it. We're gonna play some music. We're gonna try YouTube music. Naka-max na siya, guys. Pero, ito yung dial niya. Kung gusto mo siyang hinaan. Ano ba, Bongi? Bakit hindi saan natin siya lagay? O, diba? Cute. Cooking. Ilagay natin siya dito. With the books. Tapos pag i-off mo siya, dito lang din. Off na. Tapos na. On. Cute siya, oh. Oh, diba? Softy. Oh. Mahilig talaga ako sa puti. Ang soft. Ang sarap niyang higaan. So, ito na siya. So, that's all for it now, guys. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Kiki.